at a young age, alam na nila kung ano talagang regulation. So, a group of national technical official, Commissar Sunshine will be with you, or there are also Cebuano officials who will be joining field cycling technical officials there.
Yes, so we will be, because this is a field section
Yes.
field cycling
Event.
section event. Of course, the officials will be coming from the field cycling sets of officials, and
Yes.
we are proud to say and happy to announce that we have recently conducted the field cycling has hosted the first National Road Commissar course in Tagaytay that which finished a few days ago, and some of the participants there will be joining me.
Yes,
At
nice.
kasama na rin po naman natin sila sa National Championship,
Yes,
sa mga tours na naganap ng mga
yes,
nakaraang
yeah.
taon. So sila po ay sasama, and then two of our race officials, mga veteranong official, which is Mr. Amando Filosofo and Mr.
Yes,
Joel Baring.
nice.
They are both from Cebu, so of course,
Andun.
sila na, total
Yes.
nandun na sila, and then sila yung tutulong sa atin para sa pag-manage ng karera.
Multi-purpose to, Sir Jeremy. Pati yung technical officials natin, napapractice din lang sa mga Go for Gold series or races. Okay, so officially, there are continental teams na kasali sa elite. Sabi mo, Standard Insurance and Victoria Sports?
Yes, so far yung Standard and yung Victoria na mention na sa amin. I haven't actually seen yung final registration list, so hopefully there will be other continental or other big teams na sasali din. Of course, yung mga big guns din na mga Cebu-based clubs will also be joining, so it's going to be very exciting.
Where particularly in Cebu, yung race natin. Kasi the Series 1, very iconic yung start ng
Yes.
ng ating Go for Gold race Series 1.
So this leg will be held in City de Mare, which is a property of Philinvestland, one of our sponsors. So we're very thankful to them for providing us a venue to do a safe and closed race na sigurado tayong walang dadaan na mga kotse.
How technical
Um,
the course?
the course will be hindi siya katulad ng ginawa natin sa Subic. There will be a few more corners sa Clark, sorry. There will be a few more corners here. Mas priority rin ang bike handling and knowing your line. So it's a different challenge, but that's what we also want. Parang for us, this is at the start talaga. This year we're planning to hold 3 events. Hopefully next year we'll have different kind of events talaga to test yung mga iba-ibang style of riding of mga tao. Not just criteriums, we're hoping to have circuit races and even a C1 mountain bike event
Mountain bike.
next year. So hopefully matuloy mga yon as part. It's really part ng advocacy namin to elevate cycling as a whole in the
Yes.
Philippines. Not just for elite level cyclists, not just yun, di ba, sa national team natin, but talaga lahat ng mga batang gustong maging siklista, bibigyan natin ng opportunity. And it starts by working with our federation to ensure that we give yun parang experience ng mga countries abroad. Hopefully we can give it here. When you look at countries like Japan, you look at countries like Korea na very established na, hindi pa nga natin pinapag-usapan in Europe just around us, na very established na yung cycling community. They have a lot of high-level quality races. I'm very happy also na since I started supporting cycling way back when, nakikita ko talaga yung growth where other institutions are also supporting cycling events. Tulad nga sabi ni Ma'am Sunshine, they had the Tour of Vizcaya just a few, like last week yata, which is also field cycling sanction. So ang dami ng mga field cycling events na hopefully will help grow talaga the sport.
Yes. And aside from Standard and Victoria, syempre Go for Gold. Continental team, andon, how big ang team mo? Sino ba mga Cebuano ang abangan natin? Kasi syempre, home venue nila yon, no? Home court nila yon.
So of course, everybody's favorite is Jonel Carcueva, our 3-time national champion. While he is not a criterium specialist, I'm sure he's going to do his best in front of his home fans. And then we have a lot of very young Cebuano-based riders. Also si Sam Steele Mamites, who is the current junior ITT national champion. And nag-second din siya sa Batang Pinoy. He's also based in Cebu. He will be racing, of course, the junior categories. And then, if you remember si Coach Elmer Navarro, formerly of Go for Gold, of course, I support him now with his, he has a developmental team in Cebu, in mga Indianos. So hopefully we see some very good riders out of that as well.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Jeremy.